how to edit your web pages here. So once you're logged into WordPress, you'll see this dashboard here with this black bar on the side and across the top. You can roll down to Pages and then click on Employment Page to view. It'll look like this, or you can go on the front side and click any of these pages. You should have a black bar across the top. So to edit this page, you click Enable Visual Builder up here in the black bar. I've already loaded it up. Then you will slide down on that page to Current Openings. You'll see a section that's kind of grayed out here. I've hidden this right now, but you can use any of these sections that are already here. So you'll click on here, you see this little gray gear icon. You can come in and set any of these jobs that you want. So you can change out the title. If you want it to be the description here, that's what it'll show over here. The apply button, you put the year, the experience that you're requesting. And when you're ready, let's move this here. When you're ready to save it, you hit the little green checkbox. Here's where the other jobs listed. So person of guardianship or supervisor, this is where you would change them. Same spot there, click the gear icon, change the title, description, click the checkbox to OK it. Click it again when you want to save it. And then if you want this to go live, you would actually change so it's not hidden right now. If you go into advanced visibility, disable on phone, tablet, and desktop. So now you'll see it's not grayed out anymore. And then you go into the checkbox again. And now to publish it live to the site, you click this little purple circle, go over here and hit save. And if I do that now, it'll go live onto the employment page. I'm not going to do that today. And that's how you do that. If you want to add any different sections or content, it's kind of the same way we showed there. You just roll your mouse over the section, click on it, click the little gear icon. You can change the title here. Just got to make sure you click the checkbox when you OK it. You're done. And then to publish it live to the site, click the save button here. Just got to open the little purple circle. To change out photos, you can scroll on to the image, click the gear icon, an image box will pop up. You can then click here to see the photos that are in your site right now on the back end. You can click a different one if you want to use it, or you can upload, drag and drop photos from your computer here to put there and replace it. And then you say upload image down the bottom. It'll replace it. Click the checkbox to save that, and then click save to make it live on the page. And that's how you edit the employment page, and all the other pages are set up very similar with changing out text and images. And then I will show you for the employee password protected page. When you go down to the employee forms, it'll come up with a password protected. You have to enter the password here and then hit submit. It'll then show, and here's where you can get the PDFs for your employees. They can download or view them. All right, hope that was helpful.